front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. To clean storage on your POCO whenever you want to, you don't need to download any app. All you need to do is go into Settings and tap on About Phone at the very top. Now click on Storage under Device Name. Scroll all the way down to tap on Free App and wait. Then hit Consent in the pop-up and tap on Cleanup at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my junk files were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!